This is a quick extension to how to add captions. What I've added here, instead of that generic Science Rocks logo, I've added in a reaction scheme. And what you see in papers and dissertations is usually that these aren't just called figures, they're called schemes. Unfortunately, when we try to insert our caption here, we only have figure to choose from. But we actually select this drop down menu, we can see there's equation, figure and table we could choose. Okay, neither of those apply, but we can add a new label. So if we click new label, we get an empty dialog box that we can add whatever I liked into. So we can type in scheme. Okay, that suddenly we have scheme 1. Now what I can also do is change the numbering. If I click numbering, I can include chapter number. So this is how I get the 1.1s and 1.2s, or the 2.2s and so on. So chapter number starts with style heading 1, which are the chapter numbers. You separate a hyphen, period, colon, long dash, or I can cancel that and just keep it as scheme 1. In that case it will continue to number throughout. I can OK that, and now I've got scheme 1. Of course, up here in my table of contents, I only have figure numbers. So I want a list of schemes. And here I do references tab again, insert table of figures. It's called figures, but this is the more flexible version, and I just change it to scheme here. So instead of inserting figures or equations, I have a scheme. I can OK that. I've now got my table of schemes. Now whether you want to use scheme instead of just keeping the generic figure is up to you. It's usually a stylistic choice. Organic chemists seem to prefer if they're written as schemes. They usually prefer to be called schemes if they are a reaction mechanism, if they've got a lot of arrows and different components. Usually if you're just drawing a single molecule, it would still be a figure. So hopefully that's an extra trick you can use if you want to rename figures to something else.